video is to celebrate the 28th of June, the World Day of Pride. Yes, and Rio de Janeiro made a great thing. In every lifeguard tower, they put a color and a word celebrating this day. We have 27 towers, lifeguard towers, houses, whatever you want to call it. But in Barra da Tijuca, we have 8. So it's a great opportunity for me to show you this beautiful beach. It's Barra da Tijuca beach, and we're gonna see all the lifeguard towers, see all the beautiful colors and words celebrating this marvelous day. I'm straight, but I think love is beautiful. So let me show you. We're starting this video at Quebra-Mar. Quebra-Mar is the first stop of Barra da Tijuca. It starts here and go all the way there. If you go up and down, it's 17 kilometers. It's a beautiful ride. The bike path is all around the coast, and that's our first one. So, number 1, respect. What that means is everybody has a different way of doing things, of living their lives, and we do have to respect everybody. This beach here is not crowded, this part of the beach, because not many cars pass here. It's just the beginning of the Barra da Tijuca, but as you see, there is some volleyball going on, very good ones. Beginning of Barra da Tijuca, it's not so crowded. As you can see, it's pretty empty. The bike path is right next to the beach. The beach is like a second home for the Carioca. Look, the kiosk. Bom dia, bom dia.
Bom
Tudo bem?
dia.
So cool. Look at it. And you can leave your board over there. Go surfing and then have lunch here. Is that cool? Here's where the old guard plays volleyball. They're so cool. That's cool, isn't it? I love volleyball. I used to play a lot in the beach. And let's go for our second tower. So, Lifeguard Tower number 2. Here, we play a lot of beach tennis. All the 3 courts, beach tennis. You have to imagine this in the weekend because I'm not coming here in the weekend. It's too crowded. Number 3, freedom. Is that cool? And here is number 4. Life. Vida. Living. And a great kiosk because here we have lots of volleyball, beach volleyball courts. And I love volleyball. Look. So cool. So let's go to number 5. It's right there. Because I don't know why, but 4 to 5 is less than a kilometer. Right? It is. Let's go. And here we have some more beach tennis, more volleyball, more surfing, a bit of all. Surfing today, it's not so good. So here we are on number 7, and guess which word is it? Yes, love, amor. Number 7. Let me show you all the translations. That's an easy one to speak. Love, amor, amore, amu, liebe. I don't know the last one, sorry. But it's love. So that's number 7. And let's see what we have it here. What kind of games, sports we have it here. Oh, right here we have nothing, just surf. We have surf all over the coast, all over. And they have this kiosks here, and they show you where you are. It's so neat. Show you. You can walk 5 minutes and go around here and show all the streets and where you are at the whole beach. Very, very clever. We start here, remember? Then number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are at number 7, and the last one is number 8. Then comes Reserva Biológica. Reserva Biológica is a reserve. It's beautiful. I love to. Actually, we did ride there today because, yes, I trained in the morning. But today was a short one. It was like 50 kilometers. It was a very short one because a weekday. This one will make like 17, be 67. That's fine. Let me show you number 8. Let's go to number 8. Oh, let me show you one thing that I think is so cool. Every beach here in Rio de Janeiro has its sidewalks made of stones and have drawings on it. Barra da Tijuca drawings are the fish. So it's cool because it looks like 2 fishes. It's a school of fish. And here comes the last one, number 8, Pride. That's the one. So here's the last one, Pride. And there's some good surfing here. It's one of the best places to surf. Great spot to surf here. Always great waves with Pride. Number 8. And the cool thing about this ride is, after seeing this marvelous landscapes, you can drink a delicious coconut water. It's so good. Nature is fabulous. Hope you like it. Yes, I realized that I did the end of the video in a place that had music behind, so probably cannot use it because copyright. And I was drinking my coconut water. Well, anyway, I gotta tell you what I said.
I said congrats Rio de Janeiro to be part of this world movement of equality, liberty, freedom, love. So congrats and enjoy today's day. Bye bye.